Part 1. Spicy Fish Recipes. Hello and welcome to my channel. Today, we will be making boiled spicy fish and fried taped plantains. Ready? Let's dive in. We will start by washing the fish for approximately 1 minute. When done washing, add Maggi and all-purpose powder spice. When done adding, shake it for better concentration. Then get ready with your onions, garlic, ginger, white pepper, and celery. Blend it and get it ready for use. Add the blended spice to the fish and let it be for 2 minutes. We then put the fish in the pot. Let it be for 7 minutes. We then add up more spice and let it cook for 5 more minutes. Make sure it's on low heat for now. Once bubbling, we then add Maggi and salt to it. We then add pepper with caution. Add a little water and fry stir. When almost getting ready, add more vegetable oil to the pot. If no vegetable oil, use eatable olive oil if available. Make sure the water dries up and the oil remains. Let it be for 5 more minutes. Our spicy fish is now ready. Let's now make the taped plantains. Part 2. Taped plantains. We start by putting in our already sliced plantains. Let it fry for 8 minutes in hot oil. We then tape the plantain with a spatula and a chopboard, compressing the plantain. Once done, put the taped plantains in hot oil and fry for roughly 5 minutes. All set and ready for dinner. Good appetite!